Hello everyone, my name is Poonam. Welcome back to my channel Run to Learn English. I am welcome back with another video. How to speak English fluently? What fluency really needs? Fluency need confidence and clarity. If you don't have confidence, you can't speak English fluently, as well as you should have clarity what you are going to say, what you are going to speak. If you don't have clarity, what do you want to say, what do you want to deliver your message front of the other person, so nobody will understand you what you really want to say. So first step is you should have clarity what do you want to say. And confidence comes with practice. Until unless you will not practice, you can't speak English fluently. For confidence, what do you need? You need for action. Until you will not take the action for speaking English fluently, you can't speak English fluently. There is no doubt. Many people say that you don't have guts, you don't have courage. So how to build the courage? Courage comes with action. First, you need to take the action for speak English fluently, and you will have to show the courage. If you really want to speak English fluently, so you will have to take the action for speaking English fluently, because you take the responsibility. I will learn this language, I will speak English fluently. This is language, this is not a subject. You learn the language at your school like a subject, but now you understand that I will have to speak in English, I will have to speak fluency. So what do you need? You need courage. You need to come out your comfort zone. Until unless you will not come out your comfort zone, you can't speak English fluently. There is no doubt. But first step, when you wake up early morning, what kind of thought you carry in your mind? With purpose, with comfort zone. If you will take the action for your purpose, if you will wake up with a strong reason, I will have to learn the language, I will have to do this work, so you will able to do it. But if you don't have a strong desire, if you don't have purpose, if you don't have a strong reason, why do you want to learn the language? You can't speak English fluently. So first step is action matters a lot. Until you will not take the action for speaking English fluently, you can't speak English fluently. For action, you will have to speak. If you really want to speak English fluently, you will have to speak with your mouth. Nobody will do for you. You will have to take the action for yourself. Confidence comes with practice. How to build your confidence? Confidence will come when you speak every day, when you put your effort, when you come out your comfort zone. Slowly and gradually you will build the habit of speaking. Slowly and gradually you will able to comfortable to express your thought front of the other person. But many people, they have lot of desire to speak English fluently. They make the lot of plan, strategy, but they don't take action, and they have the habit of procrastination. Why you are procrastination your things? Why you are procrastination of your learning process? If you are procrastinations your learning process, that means you procrastinate many things. You procrastinate your confidence, that means you lack of your confidence, as well as you procrastinate the opportunity who is waiting for you, as well as you procrastinate your learning journey. Because if you will not do for yourself, so another person is doing lot of effort, another person is putting lot of effort to make their better. They will able to speak English fluently, they will grab the opportunity. And when you will see the other person, they are doing very good in their life, so instead of get inspired from them, you will compare how they are doing so well. Don't compare from the other person. If person is doing good in their life, instead of learn many things, instead of implement in our life, we always try to compare with negative way. If you really want to compare yourself from other person, just compare yourself with learning intention. Compare yourself with become the best version of yourself. I would say comparison is not bad, comparison is good. But I want to say, if you are comparison with anyone, so just take in a positive way. It will help you to grow in your life. Same thing you will have to do with the learning process. Same thing you will have to do with the learning the language. If a person who already good at English, who is speaking so well, instead of inspire from them, instead of learning from them, you feel uncomfortable about yourself. You feel underconfident about yourself. Why? Because you did not practice, because you did not put your effort to learning the language. English is a skills. It is not a talent. If you really want to speak English fluently, you will have to upskill yourself. You will have to put your effort to speak English fluently. First step is speaking. You will have to speak with your mouth. You will have to practice every day. This is the language. Everybody is fascinated of learning the language. English is omnipresent, as we know that. So what we need to do? We need to come out our comfort zone. We need to speak. We need to take the initiative of speaking. If you really want to speak English fluently, speak every day. Come out your comfort zone. When you wake up early morning, just make the plan. What I gonna do to improve myself? What kind of strategy I can follow for my betterment? In today era, there are multiple strategy, tricks and technique. I am not saying you will have to follow the same thing like other person. I would say follow the who technique which really help you to improve yourself, which really help to make you fluent. So speak every day, practice every day and come out your comfort zone. You will have to make yourself better. Until you will not come out your comfort zone, you can't speak English fluently. And action also matters a lot. Take action. Until you will not take the action of speak English fluently, you can't speak English fluently. So action always help you to achieve your goal. Action always help you to become the best version of yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.